So we are fortunate to be joined by Harry Goto today. Harry, welcome to Fujitsu North America. If I can summarize what we offer to our customers. So we first look at connectivity. Is your factory connected? So we offer a connectivity solution. Once it's connected, we protect it. So we've got OT security solution. So we connect it, then we protect it. Then we pull the data and we analyze the data and let's say sanitize the data. We put it into a MES platform where we then consume the data, and then we take this data and we optimize how we operate. So typically what we see is if a manufacturer is running at 50% OEE, we can typically get that up to about 75%, if I'm correct, by just understanding what is on the shop floor, how it's organized, and connecting it all together.
That's correct. And also, in addition to OEE type of the KPIs, we do have the knowledge of what the KPIs in general should be managed on the shop floor. So based upon ISO 22400 standard, we do have the full range of the visualization dashboard supported by our own data model. So whatever your priority KPIs are, including OEE, we can provide the advisor service and visualization service and optimization service to make your KPIs better.
Is there any key takeaways you have for our customers today?
The normal exercise for us is to sit down with your management as well as shop floor managers to look at what current business process and its pain points are. What we normally do is to run this type of the assessment and the advisor service to provide a better way to make the factory process and supply chain process more streamlined and optimized or even automated. So we are more than happy to have this type of the initial discussion to better understand where you are and what's the journey we can provide together with you.
So at Fujitsu is a manufacturer ourselves. We almost have 100 years of manufacturing experience that we can share with our customers.
That's exactly correct. So what we are bringing here in North America is to leverage our experience and knowledge of manufacturing itself by bringing various types of the experts here in North America to run factory, digital supply chain, engineering to make the process better.